Hello everyone, before this video starts, I just want to say Happy 4th of July everybody! So guys, this scenario is a 4th of July special, so I hope you're prepared for it. And also, this scenario might make you say, "Bro, it's not that deep." Well, it is deep in that video. But anyways, wait. One more thing. This video is super long, so prepare yourselves. Anyways, enjoy watching. Wait, hold on. Hold on, guys. quick note before the video ends. Was that long and scary to you? If you think so, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more scenarios. I would gladly make other scenarios in the future involving space. You know what? If this video gets 10 likes, I would make a scenario other than space. Is that a deal? Okay. A deal's a deal. Anyways, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, people. Wait, hold on.